Hi folks, this is a video to show the removal of the ECU in a Passat b5.5. You've got 1, 2, where is it? 3, 4, 5 little 8mm sockets, bolts to get off. What's his name? I can't think of his name now. Someone off the forum anyway. Said there's a little grommet there. He's bloody right. What a flipping great idea that was, because that gives you access with, where's it gone? One of these Malfords. That's from a different socket set, but I presume that in the set there's one. Yeah, basically a bit of a fiddle, but once you get in there, use a torch first to see where this little beauty is. My camera skills are diabolical, sorry. Yeah, get that out, jiggle off the main cover, pull out the old one, these little tabs on the side, pull it till it opens, and then the last bit that opens, it sort of pulls out that way, and this one pulls out that way. And that's basically it. Reverse it and then put it back in, and let's hope to God it bloody works. Thanks.